This is actually one of the cleanest MacBooks I've encountered. So this is one of these early 2015 MacBook Air models. Aside from the bottom cover, which like there was a lot of dust there, but I already cleared that. It's actually pretty good. Like there's a little bit of dust around, but like this was, I think this particular one was manufactured in 2017. But that's like 6 years now, so yeah, these kind of old MacBooks are just really good at what they do. Anyway, for this one, I'm gonna replace the thermal paste, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is the heatsink. Yeah, the thermal paste definitely looks a bit dry, so let's get some new stuff onto there now. Although first we've got to clean it. Okay, well let's put some more thermal paste on. Okay, this is probably the most annoying part by far, and that is getting this tiny little rubber piece through. It's hard to explain, but it's really irritating. I might actually just remove the fan. I'm gonna have to disconnect some cables, that's fine. There we go. Okay, tiny little fan has been removed. Okay, I think I got it, but it took me quite a few minutes. It's not easy to work with, but you eventually get it. Time to now screw in this fan. Alright, so that's in, that's all good. Now we just need to connect up this cable. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's put the battery in, turn this guy on. Power button in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we got fan spin. And there we go. We have life. Alright, well, there you go. That's a successful repair. So, yeah. See ya.